Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, the drone shop. So we are having one drone today. It's our client's drone basically, DJI Mini 3 Pro. This drone has fallen off from 14th floor. So we're going to see what's the issue over here. So as you can see, and the bottom sensor, it's broken up. So far so long. There is one more damage behind the battery compartment. It's just smashed up, but not that much. So just going to turn it on. We're going to see the internal damage. So it's basically turning on. The gimbal is also moving. As you can see, the problems right over here. So I'm just going to scroll up, see the damage. There's a lot of damage basically. So stay tuned. So we're going to use these tools today. So for the safety, we're just going to open the propellers so that it will not hamper our work and it will not break down. I'm just going to keep it safe somewhere. So let us open this up first and run through all the things. Need the tweezers. It's very small. Let's see. I guess first. Make sure to keep the screws in a safe place so it will not just get lost. So hey guys, we're here with the original parts. It's a bottom sensor of Mavic Mini 3 Pro. So we're going to change this up. So let's go. This is the broken sensor, as you can see. So we're going to replace it with our new one. It's original one basically, as you can see. So hey guys, अभी हम लोग आ चुके हैं. So you're going to see कि will this work or not. So as you can see in the screen over here, यहाँ पे जो बोला गया है कि it's showing nothing, then हम लोग को पता कैसे चलेगा. So this is going to simply turn it on. अभी हम लोग देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, मैं थोड़ा सा पास गया है कैमरे के पास, जैसे आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे रेड लाइट दिखा रहा है यहाँ पे. So that means it has been repaired, it's working properly and super fine. So that's all. That's all for now. And do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.